Hello and welcome back to Ben's Phrasal Verbs. I think I have a pretty good one for you today that, depending on the context, has several very different meanings. That phrasal verb is work out. The first definition of work out is for something like a plan or a situation to happen successfully. For example, the new system we put in place in work worked out better than anyone expected. On the other hand, if you say that something did not work out, you mean that it went badly. For example, my friend John moving in with his brother, the situation hasn't worked out very well. They're constantly fighting about who should be cleaning. Or if I were to ask my friend, "How's it going with that girl you started seeing?" He said, "Oh, things didn't work out." I know he means they probably stopped seeing each other. Second meaning. Work out can mean to solve a problem or a puzzle or a calculation. For example, I still have to work out how much the home repairs are going to cost me. Also, if you work things out with someone, it means you solve some issues in that relationship. Usually a disagreement or something like that. An example, I wasn't talking to my best friend for 2 months, but eventually we came together and worked things out, and now we're friends again. Finally, workout can mean to exercise. People work out in order to strengthen their muscles or get in better shape. In America, it's very common for people to go to a gym or a park several times a week to work out. And that's all for this phrasal verb, work out. Hopefully you'll be able to work out when to use this one in conversation.